Ulefone is back again with something seriously next level. This is the Ulefone Armor Pad 5 Ultra, the world's first rugged tablet that comes with a built-in projector and a versatile connector system, designed for those who want power, endurance, and innovation in one device. Opening up the box, here we have the Armor Pad 5 Ultra. Let's peel off the cover. We've got a handle stand, a 120-watt charger, a data cable, a screwdriver with screws, a SIM ejector tool, user manuals. This pad also comes with a dedicated slot that supports 2 nano SIM cards and 1 micro SD card slot support up to 2 terabytes. Now let's boot up the device. And there we go. It runs on the latest Android 15, offering a clean, optimized software experience. Let's also attach the handle stand to the pad. The Armor Pad 5 features a massive 11-inch full HD plus 90 Hz display. Crisp, bright, and perfect for both work and entertainment. Whether you're outdoors, at a job site, or relaxing at home, the visuals look sharp in every setting. But the real highlight here, the 200 lumen DLP projector built right inside. With the resolution of up to 540p, you can instantly project up to an 80-inch screen on any wall or flat surface with auto keystone correction, so that you can watch movie night, do gaming session, give business presentations. Powering it all is a huge 2040 200 mAh dual cell battery, paired with 120-watt super fast charging. You'll get hours of playback, days of standby, and it refuels unbelievably fast. And because it's an Armor series device, it's built like a tank. IP68, IP69K, and military standards certified for full water, dust, and impact resistance. Inside, it runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 7400X chipset, backed by up to 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage. It's smooth, fast, and fully capable of handling heavy multitasking, streaming, and even mobile gaming. For imaging, the Armor Pad 5 Ultra packs a 64-megapixel main camera and a 64-megapixel night vision sensor with 4 IR LEDs. Perfect for low-light photography and inspection work. Up front, there's a 32-megapixel selfie camera for video calls and online meetings. You also get dual 1000-lumen LED lights, warning lights, a rugged kickstand handle, and Ulefone's smart expansion connector, letting you attach professional-grade accessories for fieldwork or creative setups. So if you've been waiting for a tablet that blends rugged protection, high performance, and something truly unique like an integrated projector, this might be the one. Don't miss the Ulefone Armor Pad 5 series global event, running from November 11th to 19th. Check out the links below for the best launch deals and giveaways. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.